Hello everyone, this is Dave from Dave's Wreaths and Things, and today is another 60-second DIY with my friend Soozie. So, what's it gonna be today? Spooky, scary, I see you. So today I am joining Soozie from Soozie Stuff with another one of her 60-second DIY. We're gonna be crafting together today. So shortly, I'm going to throw 60 seconds up on that clock and we're going to get started. I see you, Soozie. So I am starting off with a green foam wreath ring, some feathers, and these little ping pong eyeballs. So why don't I get 60 seconds up on that clock and I'm going to start going. All I'm going to do to start off is I'm going to grab some hot glue, throw a little bit down, and then I'm going to secure that end piece to the feather boa, and then all I'm gonna do, really simple, is just wrap it around and wrap it around and wrap it around. And this is gonna create our feather wreath, and at the very end I put another dab of glue down, hold it down. Oh geez, Dave, come on, 30 seconds. I'm gonna glue the first eyeball right in there with our theme, I see you, Soozie. And here comes my second eyeball. And of course you can see the top of my head here, sorry. Now I'm just gonna take a paper plate that I had laying around and I'm gonna cut out a little mouth, or teeth I should say. And then I'm just gonna dab some glue on there. Come on, Dave, 5 seconds, you can do this. 3, 2, 1, and I am done. And here is my I see you wreath with my big googly eyes and fangs and feather boa, and he's there with all of his friends on my shelf. I hope you enjoyed today's 60-second DIY with myself and Soozie crafting together. Don't forget to check out the link down below to see Soozie's video. You'll totally want to check that out. Happy Halloween, everyone! And I want to thank you for joining us today. Don't forget, hit that like button, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye for now!